I'm looking at here a machine block from Belmont Hardware here in Legazpi Street, Cebu City. So this is the 4-inch hollow block machine. The price is 31,500. It doesn't have a motor yet that you can see there. And then how many? It's got 3 slots for the 6-inch. 6-inch ni siya niya kani may 4.
Jem, ano yung 6 dali kani?
So these are all 6-inch hollow blocks, but the 4-inch is not here. So this is 34,650 without the motor. So it's got 3 slots that you can do for the machine, and then they also got another color here. Same with 3 slots. Okay. There. It does not include the motor. The brand is Overly. So this is where they step on, and this is where they put the motor. So this is also the mixer for the muck, and still without the motor, but this is where they mix it. The one that you saw where they are mixing the muck for the hollow blocks. That's 76,500. So these are the pricing. The hollow block machine, the 4-inch is 31,500, and this is the 6-inch, 34,280. And this is the crane bucket bottom, which is this one. That's 79,850. So they also sell here a lot of mixers, cement mixers with their engine. So that's with the engine, 7 horsepower engine. The mixer with a 7 horsepower engine is 49,850. So that's from Fuji Plus concrete mixer, 49,850. Loy, pila na ka bagger nana? So 1 bagger ani. So they're just 1 bagger engine. Ako ang dako no. So 1 bagger din itanan. So these are the engines, cement mixers available here. That's Fuji with 7 horsepower motor in orange and red. But it's here. The Fuji without engine is 35,450, and the concrete mixer with Robin engine again 49,780, the red one. And without the engine is 31,980. So this is just to give you idea of the machines that's in here, including the hollow block maker, the hollow block mixer, which is 76,500, the hollow block maker 6-inch hollow block, all without the motor. The mixer is 76,650. The hollow block 6-inch maker there is 34,280. And then you got the mixers, 1 bagger mixer, including the engines, 7 horsepower engine, gasoline engine. So the price is 49,780. That's the concrete mixer with the motor. And without the motor is 35,450. And that's the Fuji brand. For the overlay, it's 49,780. Without the motor is 131,980. Again, that's how it looks like. This is the Fuji. Nune Fuji. So that's the Fuji cement mixer with the engine. So it's got a 7 horsepower Robin engine, and this is the overlay, and that's the engine. So you can opt to buy without the engine as well. So I just show you the price. So how much it costs without the engine and with the engine.